bell ring. Alright, so WORX. I'm going to watch a little bit of a dip out of the gate.
Support at 727, 760, 775.
Well, yeah, I'm not going to, I can't trade that. I got to wait because it's moving up a little too quickly here.
We're at 200,000 shares.
So the high there is 79.
So we're over 8.
I'll take a stab. Alright, so I'm long here at 79.
I'm not going to take it long.
On this, and I'm going to add for a move into a circuit breaker.
Wow, so it's halting.
I'm trying to add on this at 76 here. Target is now 976. So I didn't want to add in the first spike. I wanted to give it a second.
Alright, so it's going to be a 5-minute halt.
Alright,
should resume at 9:35:40.
876. This to me has $9 easy, 976. It's probably going to go right up towards $10 right out of the gate.
He thinks $10 right out of the gates.
9,000 shares at 791. I'm up about $9,000. And I'm going to be adding because I already have a great cushion on this stock. So I'm going to add, and my goal is $10.
So VRNS looks like a decent.
I'm not selling. My target here would be 2 halts in a row.
I mean, it definitely has some resistance at 51 where it consolidated here. But up over 50, I like it more for a long short squeeze to fill some of this gap. It's a big gap to fill.
And when it immediately spiked up, I was like, oh man, like I don't know. I really wanted to get in at 750. So if we go back to the 10-second chart on this.
So I think 10 is definitely doable. And then hopefully I'll have some cushion on the day. I could just flip short, possibly. Because last time this was up at 11, it closed all the way down at 5.
Right now it might be hard to see the pattern. Alright, so let's go to the 1-second chart. There it is.
So let's take a look here.
Those of you guys that were in the workshop last night,
it went from 4 to 10. Had a pullback.
I didn't want to jump in squeezing up. I always need a little pullback. That gave me the pullback. So jumped in there right there for that pullback. Now right here, this.
So we had the move, a 50% retracement.
So when we look for resumption,
tried to hold over the highs, couldn't really do so.
What I'm going to do on this is I'm going to place an order.
It even held up decently last time. I don't expect it to hold up as good.
I'm going to put it at 950 for right now.
All-time highs are 1140.
So it's ready to go. Actually, I put it at 940 for right now. So I'm going to try to scalp this coming out of the halt. Target 976. That's the first target, and then $10.
Alright, so I'm going to put some orders out to sell. I'm going to try to sell 150. Our average is 77, so let me get 45. Oh, I can't place orders when it's that's stupid.
So remember, this is going to be most likely a 5-minute long haul.
So time halted 9:30:40. It should resume at 9:35:40.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a live buy order at 9:20, so I can try to buy a little bit of a dip. I'm thinking it's going to open higher, dip down for a second. Hopefully it'll fill my order at 9:20 and then rip up, and I can sell up towards 10, maybe 10, 1050. I'm not really sure. I mean, this.
So let's see.
It might go into a second halt, and I'm certainly okay with that.
I'd like to take some profit off. So I have a limit order at 925. Just to sell a piece of it. I'll feel a little bit more comfortable in the trade.
Testing that level at 1139.
925 is up 50 cents. We'll just take off a portion.
Alright, so I've got my order here. I'm going to put another order at 950.
Probably, I'm not going to look to add in. So 3 seconds to resumption. Fingers on the trigger. Okay, sold part of it.
Target here now is $10. So I'm looking for a move to 10.
920.
950.
Holding over 9. Add potential.
Right now, I'm still feeling good about it. There's 933.
There's support at 20. I took off more at 20.
Looking for that break over 950.
I'm out.
The high here, looking for the first 1 minute candle to make a new high.
So I got filled at 907 and then 855.
935.
Couldn't really give it too much room with the.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look to add back over 935.
Couldn't give it too much room with my average.